welcome to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to make Kashmiri Katir Sharbet or Tragacanth Sharbet. It's a summer cooling drink loaded with medicinal properties. It's a main ingredient used in making Katir Sharbet, widely consumed in Kashmir. So let's get started. Making this refreshing and healthy drink, I have taken Katir or Tragacanth 1 tablespoon and I have soaked it in water. It tends to swell a lot. After soaking in water, it turns into a jelly-like thing. Here you can see 1 tablespoon of Katir has swelled like this, and I have taken 1 tablespoon of sugar, or you can use according to your taste, and scraps of some coconut, and I have taken rose syrup or Roh Afza 2 tablespoons, and some raisins. Dry fruits are optional, you can skip them if you don't want. And milk I have taken around 1 cup, and water 1 cup. You can adjust quantity accordingly. If you want it thicker, then you can add more milk. Now in milk I am adding sugar, coconut scraps, rose syrup, raisins, and soaked Katir, and water, and it's ready. You can use ice also, or you can refrigerate it. I'm using chilled water and milk. So before serving, I'll swap it between 2 containers so that the Katir is fully mixed, or else Katir tends to stay at the bottom of the container. Here the Sharbet is ready. So here is the perfect iftar drink. It tastes super delicious and is soothing. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.